Namaste friend. I hope you are doing fine. Welcome back to part 3 of exploring Power Query. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will continue from the part we completed in our previous video. We recommend you to watch part 1 and part 2 of this video first. Links are provided in the description. Let's see the pending tasks in hand. Our first task is to create a table using mQuery language. Second task is to add the date to the table and attempt to format it to DDMMYY. Final task would be use the output of the table in the URL. We will switch to the Power Query editor window for our first task and attempt to create a table using mQuery language. We click on New Source. Then click on Other Sources. Select Blank Query. This creates a blank query, named Query2. On the function bar, we type Create Table syntax, as shown in the blue box. Before we proceed further, let's analyze the syntax. The first part encapsulated in curly braces needs to be filled with column name. There can be a single or multiple columns, based on our requirement. The second part encapsulated with another pair of curly braces needs to be filled with row data. Similar to columns, there can be a single or multiple rows. For our task, we set the name of the column to date. The name of the column should be encapsulated in double quotes, as it is a string value. Then we press Enter key, and a table is created with a single column, named date. Next, within the curly braces of row we type open curly braces, 1, close curly braces. Since 1 is an integer, we can ignore the double quotes. On pressing Enter key, this time, a row gets added to the table with the value 1. If we want to add a second row in the table, we type comma, open curly braces, 2, close curly braces. Press Enter key to get the second row added to the table under column date. Power Query works effectively with tables. We can use a table as a parameter for another query, which is our ultimate goal. Our first task is completed. In our next video, we will continue with the next task. Till then, you may want to practice the steps we have seen so far. With this, we conclude the video. Stay tuned. Thank you friends, have a good day.